Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to use the Way2Go card in 2025. If you're receiving government benefits, child support, or any prepaid funds, this card is a game changer for managing your money securely and conveniently. Let's dive right in. First off, what's the Way2Go card? It's a prepaid debit card issued by various state agencies for benefits payments. In 2025, it's been updated with enhanced security features and a sleeker mobile app to make everything smoother. If you haven't received yours yet, it might arrive in the mail with instructions, or you can sign up online. Step 1. Activating your card. Once you get it, visit the official Way2Go website or use the app. You'll need to enter the card number, your social security number, and some personal details. This usually takes just a few minutes. Think of it as giving your card a quick hello to get it started. Next, checking your balance is super easy. Open the Way2Go app on your phone. It's free to download or log in online. For 2025, they've added biometric login like fingerprint or Face ID for faster access. You can also call the toll-free number on the back of your card for a voice prompt balance check. Pro tip: set up notifications so you're alerted every time funds are added or spent. Now, making purchases. Use your card just like a regular debit card at stores, online, or ATMs. Remember, in 2025, contactless payments are fully supported, so you can tap and go for quicker transactions. Be mindful of any fees. ATMs might charge for out-of-network use, so stick to in-network ones to save money. One more thing. Security is a big focus this year. Always keep your PIN private, monitor your transactions regularly, and report any lost or stolen cards immediately through the app or helpline. If you run into issues, the 2025 updates include 24/7 chat support in the app, super helpful. There you have it. Using the Way2Go card in 2025 is straightforward and secure. Give it a try, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.